Buenos días.
Man, this is cool.
It feels great out here.
Buenos dias. So today we are in Barrio, Logan. We are at Cesar Chavez Park and traveling along this pier where you can see all of the boats.
This little ship, 1, 2, 3. When it starts rocking, I would be so scared if I were up there.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, whoa, whoa. Look at this crane ship. This is incredible.
Look at this. This is all San Diego Harbor. So this is south of the convention center, and here you can see the San Diego skyline. There is the Coronado Bay Bridge. Oh my gosh, it is a beautiful day today. Here we have all of the tugboats, harbor captains. I believe these could potentially be boats that come and help when the cruise ships dock. Now, according to Cruise Mapper, there is the Nat Geo ship, the Sea Lion I think it's called, docked over here at the dock behind me. Across the ocean there you see Coronado. Now Coronado is a peninsula. It connects south of here, so to the left it connects onto Imperial Beach, so there is not an outlet at the south right here. You have to go to the north through the channel, way up there past the military base. Over here you see the San Diego skyline. We are basically behind the San Diego Convention Center and trying to see if we see a National Geographic ship over here. Let's try to zoom in. Whoops.
Hello, lovely.
That's her,
Hello, lovely.
the Nat Geo Sea Lion, located. Okay, so anyways, let's look at the harbor here because, whoops, I have to switch it to zoom. This is the Navy base at Coronado, and that is Coronado